Good evening, teacher. My name is Damaris Lopez. I'm going with my family to Quito. My uncles and cousins live there, and is the very large city known as the capital of Ecuador. The first day we were in San Martin, and in the morning we went to see el panecillo. The panecillo is crowned by a gigantic aluminum sculpture of the Virgin Quito, made by the Spanish Agustín de Layran Torras, which was based on the work composite by Bernardo Legarda. The second day we went to the Church of San Francisco. It's a Catholic basilica that is located in the middle of this historic center of Quito, in front of the square of the same name. The structure is the largest architectural complex within the historic center of all America. The day we visited Puerto Quito. The name Puerto Quito is derived from the order given to it by the Riobambeño scientist Pedro Vicente Maldonado in one of his forays into this area in 1740, baptized as Puerto Quito. After that, we went to play basketball in the park that is near my aunt's house. On the fourth day, we went to the Pita waterfall, which has an approximate height of 60 meters. It is born from the meeting of the Cotopaxi and Sincholagua volcanoes. For the reason when entering the waters, you feel the deep cold that reaches the bones do, but at the same time generates a feeling peace and reflection. On the last day back to Ambato, we visited the Cotopaxi National Ecological Park, being very cold. We went over the first station of the volcano. The Cotopaxi National Park is an extensive forest area of Ecuador, comprising part of the provincias de Cotopaxi, Pichincha, and Napo. It is known for the activity Cotopaxi volcano, whose top is covered with snow. Thank you, teacher.